So as we did in the leak detection, we pool scoped this, we pipe mic'd this, we listened to absolutely everything. We static tested the return, and we had a direct pull. After that, we put it under pressure, deck plate, soil probe, put ourselves right over the leaks. Now that we have it drained, I want to take a look and show a couple of things. Number one is we want to show exactly where that light is, and it looks like it's either somebody was drunk when they put it in, or this pool was made smaller. This pool was made smaller for sure. They wanted more room on the backside, so that's what they did. Customer lived here 30 years, did not make this pool smaller. So this was done a long time ago. But you could see at the points where they added this wall, we're going to bring that in, is that it's cracked exactly at those 2 points where this wall was once added. So if we start running a line that way, if we're going to run return lines that way, we're in for a nightmare. We don't know what they backfilled that with. They could have poured concrete in there, and you're not getting anything on that side. That's why we chose to go with everything on this side. It was okay with the customer, and again, it was just a better way with less cutting and less work to do, and it's going to be just fine the way we do it. So we had cut the irregular skimmer cut out already, and here we are digging, but now we're also cutting for the actual line, because we're rerouting. There was copper in here, and we changed that to PVC. So we're gonna stub up, we're gonna get our plumbing all set up, and remember how important the elevation is. Always line up that bottom of that skimmer with the bottom of the throat. Again, we seal off the seam before we actually pour it so that we do have a tight seam. And what we're also doing is we're drilling into the existing structure so that we could steel dowel and epoxy that steel, and we're going to bend it, and we're going to wrap it, and we're going to wrap the hell out of it so that when we do re-pour this again, it's completely monolithic. Here's where that old copper pipe was, so we're just going to cut it out of the way. We're installing our own new 1.5" PVC, and we're running the line underneath the deck. You can see where it stubs out, and we're bringing that all the way underneath and all the way over to the equipment area, and we're just going to literally just tie it right back into the pump and bury it all up, just like you see here. Again, when we pour, we're going to use about 9, maybe 12 bags of concrete on this actual pour. This is going to look like an actual patch until something is going to get done with the deck down the road. And again, that's how we're going to wrap this one up on this skimmer. We're going to shoot some more video, and we're going to put out some more video on running new return lines, running new cleaning lines on this job. We actually hit an electrical line, so we're going to show you what we do to correct that, fix it, and make it right. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com, and always check out our YouTube channel.